Good morning, guys. We are in Toronto. I know we had a freaking 6 a.m. flight, so super exhausted, but we're gonna get some matcha. We are here for Blackpink. That is on Wednesday. So we just stopped at Neo Coffee Bar, got a matcha strawberry latte. This is like sweet enough.
Yeah.
We're currently walking towards the distillery district. It was my bad because St. Lawrence Market is actually closed on Mondays, so don't go on Monday. But thankfully we're just like in the area hanging out, so we're gonna shop around a little bit. There's quite a few stores. There's like the Ordinary store there, so that's cool to check out. Cheers! Cheers! So we're currently at Uniqlo and they have like a printing section. So I got a mini tote with Juno on it. And then I'm also getting another gift for a friend, but it is so stinking cute. I wish Calgary had this, but. For dinner, we went to Konjiki Ramen. As I was doing some research, it said that the clam broth is really popular, so I decided to give it a try. But tell me why I do not understand the hype, because this was not a super amazing meal. I couldn't really taste the clam in the broth. The noodles were good, but overall, it was just very meh. Okay, so we just finished at Konjiki Ramen. Now we are just here at the Toronto sign and we're being a little tourist. And of course, to end the night, we went to see the CN Tower. Good morning, guys. It is the next day and this is our first full day in Toronto. Look at the line for the CN Tower. We are definitely not doing that because Yeah, that line is crazy. We are gonna get some Blue Jays merch, so we're just heading to the store right now for that. This is the OOTD. Currently at Graffiti Alley and we're just checking it out. I've been here before, but it's just so cool to see all the art and everything, all the murals. So we are just walking through Graffiti Alley and it's so cool. There's absolutely there's so much to look at here and this is so fun. There's just art everywhere on every single side. Okay, spoiler alert, but this was by far my favorite meal on this entire trip. I'm still thinking about it right now. This is raku. We got the niku hot udon with a side of shrimp tempura, as well as a sensai cold udon. And this was the first time having cold udon, and it was so delicious and refreshing on a hot day. There was a lot of mushroom flavor in the cold udon. You can definitely tell that the udon noodles are made fresh because the texture is nothing that I've ever had before. It was the perfect amount of chew. It was so delicious. The tempura was also very light, very crispy. I highly recommend getting the tempura on the side just so the broth doesn't make the tempura soggy as you're eating. But overall, this is by far my favorite meal. Okay, so we just finished at Juicy Dumpling, and I haven't been in a really long time. I think price point wise, we paid 5 something for 6 xiaolongbao. I just cannot believe how cheap it was. Yeah, now we are gonna walk to the art gallery and Ooh. Time for something sugary.
Yeah. It's not here. I didn't bring that with me.
We got the mango and we got the hojicha.
Going for it.
Okay.
Cheers. The hojicha flavor is like there. Yeah. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Organic hojicha powder. Cream, egg, and sugar.
Does the other post?
Are you okay with lime?
Yeah. Watch me.
You can do it.
Squeeze everything out by accident.
It's not as gushy.